Have you been have you been looking for a game that you can play with you and your friends that is scary? Well, look no further. This game is fun, challenging, and most importantly, it's pretty scary. The first thing we have to do is go to the MetaQuest store. Then type in Creepy Baboon. And then click download. And now we have to wait for it to download. Oh, it's done. And now just click on the game.
What's that?
There's a monkey there.
Oh!
Element of surprise!
Oh! Alright, come on. Oh shit!
Yo, wait, shush. I think it's.
I called dead, bro. I called dead. Full video of me playing the game on my channel.